How to contact Upwork customer support. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to contact Upwork customer support. So first of all you have to do is just open your preferred browser and simply search for Upwork, and just simply go to the first link that you will see on the top, and you will be landed to the Upwork's official website. And over here just simply log into your account using your credentials, and once you have logged into your account, in order to contact the customer support, just simply click on the question mark icon that you will see right beside your profile icon. Just simply click on it, and you will have three options. Either you can go to the help center, community and forums, and support request. So just simply click on help center from the top, and in the top menu you will be able to see the option called known issues, resources and contact support. Just simply tap on contact support from there, and when you will scroll down over here, you will be able to see the option called community, academy and chat with support. So just simply click on chat with support, and you will be redirected to the Upwork chatbot, where you can type in your problem that you are facing regarding your Upwork profile, and you can simply explain the Upwork support team that you are facing certain issues in your Upwork profile. You want some help from the customer care center from the Upwork. So you can type it right here and start talking to the Upwork chatbot, and the Upwork chatbot team will reach out to you and help you regarding solving the problem or the issue that you are facing in your Upwork profile. So this is basically how you will be able to contact Upwork customer support. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.